I don't mean to be mischievous or provocative or be a troublemaker this evening. But you know the Maverick has a responsibility to resolve and explain all sporting disputes and disputed sporting issues. RSPL first leg semi-final game between city rivals Waterhouse and Arnett Gardens. Arnett trailing 1-0, and late in the game, a chance falls to the substitute Newton Sterling, who missed kicks and then eventually finishes what everyone thought was the equalizer. But celebrations are cut short as the assistant referee waves for offside. But look at it again. When the ball was passed to Sterling, I don't see no offside. And yes, we understand that the camera angle was not perfect because it was not in a straight line with the referee's eyes. So what we think we're seeing is not necessarily what we think we're seeing. But even considering the imperfection of the angle of the camera, the worst this could be would be in line. And if the players are in line, the forward is not offside. So all things considered, Miss Tiller said Sterling was not offside, and this was an equalizing goal for Arnett Gardens. The Waterhouse defender was slow in stepping up and in place Sterling onside. And remember now, this is the semi-final of the Premier League. This could prove to be a title deciding decision. And as me say, me not trying to show up or embarrass the referees or to show bias for one team over another. But you don't know what the pastor is to charity is what the Maverick is to clarity.